Hey, hello everyone. This is Rajan from Informatica Global Customer Support Team. Hope you guys are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss about hierarchy setup and hierarchy view in Entity 360 application for MDM 10.4 version. To begin with, let's check the agenda for the session. First and foremost, we will see what's hierarchy relationship is in MDM. Then we will go over the new features in 10.4 version for hierarchy setup and how the hierarchy view looks and can be used across the application, followed by the demo of all those points discussed. So hierarchy relationship. So in general, a relationship is a connection between two business entities. A hierarchy relationship is a connection between two business entities that is hierarchical. Hierarchies shows the relationship between individual records, just like the data model which shows relationship between base objects. For example, you can create a hierarchy to track which employees belong to each department within an organization. You could also create a hierarchies of products within various product groups. To configure a hierarchy, you need to first create a business entity, and in this session we will be using the provisioning tool to configure the hierarchy relationships. So let's go over what's the new hierarchy features which has been introduced in Entity 360 in 10.4 version. So the first and foremost thing is this hierarchy view has a faster response when traversing across the hierarchies. So, and also we have inclusion of workflow support for hierarchies, which was not there in any other earlier versions, and we have included an support for comparing different hierarchy versions, and we have included an support for import and export of hierarchy data. And also a point which we need to note is a dependency of Adobe Flash has been taken care. As most of you guys are aware, end of life for Flash is scheduled for December 31st 2020. So the hierarchy workflow, so that is one of the first key features which has been introduced in the hierarchy setup in 10.4 version. So in the workflow configuration, we have introduced a new process called hierarchy one-step approval task, and the task types will be final review or notification or update review. And even for this particular hierarchy, trigger is modify hierarchy. So quickly let me show you how it will be configured in the provisioning tool. Okay, so I have logged into the provisioning application. So just like the any other task configuration, we need to go to business entity and task. Here you could notice a trigger which has been created for the hierarchy approval, and the events which has been configured for is modify hierarchy. So this is the setup which I was discussing about the hierarchy workflow trigger. Let's move on to the next point. So the next one would be like how we will configure the Entity 360 hierarchy from the provisioning. So here we are providing two options. So the one being creating a hierarchy from a scratch, so that will be a new hierarchy setup which we configure in provisioning. The other option will be copying the hierarchy from existing hierarchy manager. So like most of the customer who is already using the hierarchy setup and they have configured everything from the hub console hierarchy manager option, so those configuration can be exported through the provisioning hierarchy setup. So let me show a quick demo of that. Okay, so once we go to the business entity modeling, so just like our business entities, reference entities, we are getting a new additional option for hierarchies. So this is the place where I will design my hierarchy relationship. So this is termed as hierarchy designer. So as mentioned, when I click create, it will prompt me two options, the one being creation of new hierarchy. So that is something which needs to be configured from the scratch, and the next one being copying from the hierarchy manager option. If you could notice, you could see existing hierarchies which is getting displayed. So I can choose any of the existing hierarchy setup, and I need to choose the entity which will be the root entity, and I can create a new relationship, hierarchy relationship. So as you could see, the hierarchy customer was created successfully. Yeah. So this is the hierarchy designer, like in provisioning tool what I just showed, where we can configure the thing. And this is the hierarchy view in Entity 360 application. So when you launch the 360 application, how this setup will get displayed. So let me show a quick demo of that as well. Yeah, so I have logged into the E360 application. So I'm opening any record which has a hierarchy configured. So in the 10.4 version, so when I'm trying to open a new record, I will be prompted with an option to open the view which I need. Let's say in this case, if I want to see the only the hierarchy view, so I can choose this option when I'm opening this particular record. So I have an option even to choose the network. So I'm going with the hierarchy view option. So I'm opening the hierarchy view for New Line Television Inc. Okay, so if you could notice, this is the hierarchy view which will get displayed. New hierarchy view which will get displayed when we are opening any records hierarchy detail. So as I mentioned earlier, this hierarchy view is comparatively faster and easier to surf. And also let me show the points what I was discussing about the new features. So the one being comparison of the old hierarchy setup with the different versions. So if you could see, there is an option for comparison. So when I choose that, I will be prompted to choose the option of from which history date I want to see the difference. For example, I'm choosing a date and I choose the option of compare. So this will give the comparison of the hierarchy, like it will show what has been modified over this time period, what are the new inclusions over this time period, and all those brief details will be displayed. So this is one of the new feature which has been introduced as part of this hierarchy setup. So the next option being export, which has been included as a new feature in this hierarchy view in E360 application. So when I choose the export, it will give me two options where it will ask me if I want to export all the hierarchies or all the levels of hierarchies in one shot, or only the set of values which I have expanded right now. So this particular list will be exported as a CSV file. So yeah, as you could notice, so it has been exported. So this will give you the list of hierarchies what has been configured for that particular record. Okay, so these are the brief details about the new hierarchy view display in the Entity 360 application, and we would love to hear from you. Please feel free to drop your comments through the below handlings, and thank you so much for your patience and appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye.